Okay, we're in Senado Square in Macau. Sunday. It's really busy. We'll just give you a little 360 just so you can see what's all around here. Kind of got people pretty much everywhere in this whole location today. It's also August. It's also like kind of heart of the tourist holiday season. And what we're gonna do is just kind of walk through Senado Square area. So stay tuned. We'll check it all out. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay. So before we even start, we'll just kind of capture all the corners. Lots of people are coming across over here. That's Almeida Ribeiro, and that's the post office right there, the big large building on the other side. There's some cafes, there's all kinds of kind of interesting stuff in here. Manning's is over that way. So let's kind of show it off a little bit. It's August. Another YouTuber there. And we got a Soul Cafe over there. We have a nice fountain over here as well. So, okay. So I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna kind of meander this way slightly. I haven't been in Macau much lately, so it's kind of interesting to be back and just kind of looking at everything again. We'll keep on walking down that way in a moment. They actually don't have anything. They usually have a live stage, and they did have a lot of like some food and pop, all kinds of stuff here, live music, and it was in this little area right here, but it's all gone now. I think it's because the tourism numbers is too high again, but during COVID they kind of changed a little bit and you could hang out there for a little while. So if you look at some older videos of mine in Senado Square from the years, the COVID years, 2022, 2021, you'll see that. They have the lanterns up. I don't know which holiday, but there's a lot of holidays where they put up the lanterns. Not sure which one's coming up next though. I'll just see. I'm gonna try to go to the left here if I can. Kind of just crowded everywhere today. Just kind of give you a little bit of a view of everything. You kind of see what the city looks like a little bit. Lots of tourists, suitcases everywhere. I do wonder if that'll change later, if that'll be, if that's just because of it's August, the time of year, or it's just going to be like this kind of indefinitely for a while. The pent-up demand for travel is pretty high. So it's Sao Domingo's, St. Dominic's Church. So let me just kind of see. I think what I'm going to do is just kind of highlight everything. So you can kind of see it from different angles. And I think what we're going to do, we're kind of going to angle back towards the fountain, because I'm going to do another street, so I want to be on kind of on that other side there. And what I also kind of want to do too is get into this side area right here. Pharmacy is. Kind of navigate into here. Kind of want to see what this is as well. This is so popular. So I guess it's a restaurant, so I guess maybe that restaurant is popular because of the location. I saw it briefly. It looks like just kind of typical beef and noodles and stuff like that, but as a tourist you might not know that there's lots of restaurants down the side streets here. Change money. Let's get back this way here. So now we're back. Trying to kind of get some stuff from different angles and such like that. Little taste of Macau there for you. Okay, that's the Senado Square area. So that's the municipal building. It's kind of cool. That's the Macau sign right there. Okay. That's it right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.